Alright, how's it going, guys? So, let's get straight into this video. How we made our client DH Styling 8k in booked appointments just for March. So, I want to get into it real quick. As you can see, we'll just go over to high level, flick to booked appointment. So, we've got 4.3k booked in for now. Couple left for March, and quite a couple in for April now. So that's real good. As you can see, we're doing 15k, well, nearly 20k over a span of like 2.5 months. So that's really, really good. And we did do around, I think it was 8 to 9k last month. I'm pretty sure. I honestly can't remember exactly what the numbers were, but it was around there. It was definitely around there. But yeah, as you can see, 39 jobs, 15k, 10 jobs, 4.3k in there. We'll probably end up doing the same again for April. Yeah, I'll break down kind of how we've done this and the reason we've actually been able to book in that many jobs. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So I'll hit to the ads manager, as you can see. So we had two campaigns, which is changing them around a little bit. As you can see, dynamic ad creatives. So um, 4 different ad creatives in one. As you can see, obviously it's dynamic, so you can't see it like the best here, but you can see a review, normal picture, pretty simple picture, AI voiceover there, just showing clips, nice AI voiceover, and then we got two of them. Let's see.
Give
There
the
you go.
interior of your daily drive
So you
some
can have a look at
life
that
and
one.
glow.
You got kind of get the concept of that.
Getting
It's
a bit
pretty
bored of your
easy.
car's interior and fancy a
And then
change?
here again,
Well, our ambient lighting
and then nice call to action here. Blah blah blah. Yeah, you can just have a quick look through these kind of ad creatives. Literally all you need is good ad creatives and a good offer, and you'll do fine with ads. Very simple. Um, why don't we go straight into the lead form as well and kind of what that looks like. So pretty simple lead form, just kind of call to action. Yep, yep, yep. Ambient lighting or starlights. Then car make a model. How soon are you looking to get booked in? What get you interested in interior lighting? Full name. Email address and phone number. Contact details we need. And then boom. Very simple lead form again. Pretty easy. Ad copies are right here. Again, real simple. Not too much in detail. As you can see. Yeah, really like not needed half the time. People will see the reels or the story ads instead of the picture ads. But still helps to have good picture ads, obviously. So as you can see, good picture ads. We got a review there that did really well. And then both of the AI voiceovers did amazingly well as well for that one. And then this is current ads we have running at the moment. So
Getting bored of your car's interior?
same
Why not
concept.
give it a glow?
Same concept for the AI voiceover, and then again,
Give your car a crazy transformation with the starlight and ambient interior light.
as you can see, and then just the winning ad picture that did really well. Again, boom. Just kind of a different layout of it. So obviously Cambridgeshire interior lighting, lifetime warranty, boom. And then again, ad copy, pretty simple. And again, 2 ad copies, test against the 2, and you sorted. New lead form, new lead form, as you can see here. So we've got obviously DH styling, which service you're looking to get done, and then it gives us an idea of budget, just to try qualify the leads a little bit more. We've got also conditional logic, so if they press like there 0 to 200, it will send them to here's a quick look at our prices, and then they can see the prices and be like, oh, do I want to spend that much money? Do I not? And then they could just, press sorry, it's too expensive for me, and it won't let them fill in the form. Yeah, and then obviously normal questions, year, make, a model, what got you interested, everything like that, and then contact details. Again, so pretty simple, but it works very well, as you know. The thing is with DH styling is the offer we've got. So their pricing is very competitive. it's not too expensive, but it's not also too cheap. It's not £150 or £250. It's 335. What's literally in the perfect middle range for any ambient lighting. That is for the ambient light packages. Starlights are obviously a bit more. Still competitive compared to any other places. They're not, again, they're not too cheap. They're not too pricey. Another thing that helps really, really well is they've got lifetime warranty, 4 months finance, very attractive things, both of them, very attractive things. Timeline they can get it, well, time scale they can get it done is pretty good as well, because I think there's like 4 or 5 of them now, who are at the unit that can get the jobs bashed out in, a day. They can get ambience and starlights done to a car in 1 day. So that's really helpful as well. And yeah, I mean, they've just got a great offer. That's literally it. They've got a good offer. They got good ad spend. We've made them some really good ad creatives, like really good. They work perfectly. Me and my sales team, top notch. We do the best job. Sales process is pretty simple, and I can dive into that at the moment. So I'll show you quickly. We've been testing out AI bots recently for just messaging. Very simple way of doing it. So if we can give you a quick example, pretty sure this guy that we booked in, AI bot helped us. So let's just keep going up. So as you can see, it's quoted him up. So yep, quoted him up. And then about pan roof lighting, so obviously light strips 120, and then he wanted starlights. So yeah, small sunroof, blah 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 blah. As you see, price them up. Where are you based? Told them where we're based, and then yeah, pretty simple. AR bots really really helpful. We've been just kind of testing it out at the moment, keeping an eye on it. But yeah, it does a real good job. I'm pretty sure this guy's did a really good job as well, helping him out. So came in, sent out a message for the ambient lighting. Sounds great. I want a quote on the star roof as well. So give him a nice quick quote there. Boom. Cool. And then and then it goes to that. Yep, sure. Let me check the calendar. Get back to you in 5 minutes, and then I come in and secure that booking and get the deposit paid. Really simple. We can implement that into Instagrams, Facebook Messengers, WhatsApps, anything really, and it helps just automate everything, so you don't have to sit there in the evening or whenever you have to reply to your Instagram messages, just going over them. Oh, can I just have a quote for this? Oh, can I just have a quote for that? With the AI bot, you can just put it into play. It's there 24/7, handing out quotes to people, answering people's questions, very in depth. We can literally teach it to do anything. So if you wanted if someone asks exactly how you wire all your ambience or your starlights, we can go in there and we can get the bot. We can train the bot exactly how you do it. So yeah, it's literally so simple to do, and it just does an amazing job. So instead of going in to your Instagram at night and going through all the messages, quoting people up, quoting 20 people up, and then only 2 of them decide to book in. It's like, wow, you've just wasted maybe like half an hour, 45 minutes. When literally get an AI bot that's going to reply to them straight away, so they won't end up going to someone else that replies to them quicker. And it can quote them up, answer their questions, etc., etc. And as soon as they want to book in, it will stop, and then all you have to do is go on the notification on your phone to say AI bot stop, customer wants to book in, boom, and you click on it, and then you go and book them in. It's so simple, so easy to use. We haven't implemented it for this client yet on his Instagram accounts, but that's literally all. That's literally exactly what would happen if we did implement that AI bot into his Instagram accounts. I know some people are against AI. They're like, oh, I don't know if I can trust it, but trust me, as long as you code it right, as long as we code it right, as we do, yeah, it'll be absolutely fine. We use it for the ad side of things, for the leads that come through, and it does a perfect job. So yeah, realistically, fill it with the right info, and it'll do a really really good job. Sales side of things, yeah, we use the AI bots to reply to the messages, and also me and my team will go in there and book people in, answer questions if needs be. And then also call up the leads as well. So automated voicemail, we've got that on as well. So as soon as the lead comes in, message gets sent out. 4 minutes after, automated voicemail will get left on their phone for it. And then also they'll probably end up calling back, and then me and my team will answer that call and get them quoted and sell them on the product, instead of just trying to quote them up and answer their questions, if that makes sense. And we'll just call all the leads that come through. Very simple system, and it works, as you can see. 4K in booked appointments, 15K in showed up appointments currently. I mean, yeah, the sky's the limit really with the ads. Like, these guys are spending £20 a day, they're getting this kind of return. It's absolutely mental. So yeah, really good. I'm very happy with this client's results. The client's very happy with these results as well. And it's just increasing everything in their business. If we actually go into their Meta Business Suite, I will show you quickly what their engagement looks like on their page whilst running ads. So give us 1 second. Boom, so we're in the Meta Business Suite, and as you can see, views here. So obviously a month's performance difference. The amount of views they're getting is absolutely insane. As you can see, 606k this month in total. What's just crazy, absolutely crazy. From organic and then from ads as well. As you can see, their content gets a lot of eyes on. Really good stuff, as you can see. And then obviously we can go back into reach. They're getting a lot of reach from everybody, as you can see again. And then net interactions and followers up. So I mean, they're putting out some really good organic content themselves. What is amazing. What really helps with their business as well, and it helps with the ads. It just goes together as such a good combination, because the people that come through ads can also check out their Instagram page or their Facebook page, see the kind of content they put out. They've got their face on there, the trust is there. Yeah, I mean, quickly, why don't we just go to their Instagram and give you a quick give their profile a quick breakdown. So as you can see, DH Styling, first off, good bio, 0% interest, winner tints, as you can see, red flags, emojis, they've got their links here, DH Styling shop, great stuff, content, got some good pin videos, some of the best work, as you can see. Content wise, in person, face, showing the face, building trust with the customers, as you can see. Again, building trust with the customers because they can put a face with his brand. What does a really good job. POV video here, they've been popping off recently on Instagram for organic, and this is just for a plate install or fit, as you can see. Again, in-person video, a POV video of him applying window tints. Roof wrap, done with a kind of car influencer, if that makes sense. Another POV video, sorry, of a screen update with Apple CarPlay. Again, just showing how the work is done, professionally, clean, everything like that. And then just a normal video, as you can see, showing people the work that they do. So this kind of content is just amazing. It goes perfectly with ads, and that's why it's just such a good combination, because the trust is there. As soon as people see the page, the trust is there, and people are going to spend money on a company that they can trust at the end of the day. Again, David's the owner in this video. Then we got Patrick, one of the employees with David, showing off multiple employees. Again, is another form of trust because of the amount of people that are going to see that and be like, oh, he's the guy working on my car. Nice. Okay. I trust him. And then they've just got carousels, as you can see, just showing the work they're doing, the quality that goes into their work is amazing. So, yeah. That's kind of the great side of things on that side. But, yeah, and that's how we've been able to generate, nearly 20k in revenue now. Well, it's mental. Over just like 2.5 months. So yeah, you do the maths, guys. That's how much money they've made with us and working with us and doing what they do. So yeah, if you guys are interested in working with me, I'll leave a link in the description to our website, and you can book a call with me personally, and we can go over, see if we'd be good fit to work together. And yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching, and you'll see me soon. Bye bye.